Hello friends, thanks for joining me here at Gardening Parshala. Have you ever wondered just how quickly mint stems can root? In today's video, I'm going to show you how fast mint stems can root. Believe me, you won't believe your eyes, but of course you won't know until you try it for yourself. Keep watching the video as I take you through the whole process. This is very important. You need to remove all the leaves from two lower nodes and keep those two nodes in water. Keep the glass beside your window so that it gets light. Behold, the stems have rooted by the next day evening. It's amazing. Get some fresh, healthy mint stems and replicate the process that I showed in today's video, and I think your result too will be the same. Like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more gardening adventures and experiments. So that was it for today's video. See you again.